Good afternoon, dear farmers. Sticks 4444, the precision farmer, is back with a new variety of maize that is expected to produce a minimum of 2 cobs, a double cobbing variety. And my objective in this is to try and show you how the application of precision farming can help to increase yield. The maize is still at the tasseling level. It's now setting up its double cobs, and the main objective here is to showcase how this can be a game changer in maize farming. As you can see, there are signs here of a double cobbing that is already in the formation stage. And as you can see, there is that promise. But I'm bringing this video to you at this stage so that you can follow and see how the crop can progress, and if it does fulfill the promise that we are told it does, double cobbing. We are even told that it can produce more depending on the feeding, but I'm not expecting too much since it's the first experiment you are doing. And what I want you to be aware also is that we are doing precision farming starting from use of drip irrigation system, using fertigation system to supply all the nutrients that we expect to reach the plant at and be absorbed at an 85% rate, because when normally when fertilizer is supplied in liquid form, the absorption rate is very, very high. And by the way, the absorption rate, if the absorption rate is high, it means to say you are maximizing on the use of fertilizer. If you do it the granular way, you are going to have an absorption rate of about 35% on the maximum, depending on the soil type. Like my soil is sandy, 85% sand, then I can guarantee that maybe it will be around 25% absorption rate. Then the rest go down seepage, the seepage way. So with precision farming, as you can see, this is really, really exciting. The crop is vibrant, it's promising, and so we hope and trust that precision farming will definitely deliver. And if it does, then definitely farmers, this should be the way to go. There are so many farmers who are struggling in sandy soils, and this is the opportunity to demonstrate that the sand soil can produce only through precision farming. So we can actually go back to our sandy soils and use them through precision farming. And as you can see, this crop, it tells it. This is 85% sand, but it's vibrant, it's growing, it's already showing the signs of double cobbing. Well, who can doubt that precision farming can deliver? As you can see, the vibrancy of the crop is definitely giving us a lot of promise, and as a result, we are moving on to this week to plant on this area. We have 2 varieties that both are promising to be double cobbing, so we are going to put here on a different spacing rate. The inter crop the spacing will be 20 centimeters from one plant to another, but we are not going to be planting double this time around. We want to see the difference between double planting and single seed planting. So this area is going to hold about 15,000 seeds if all the planting stations are planted. Sorry, it's going to be about 8,000. Sorry, about 8,000 plants. And if the double cropping happens well, then that means to say it will be 6,000 plants, 6 to 8,000 plants times 2, the number of cobs, which will be a double. The same applies to this area. We are also planning the same thing. We just want to see how this sandy soil of ours, can deliver. And if it delivers, then it's a good hope, great hope for all the farmers whose land is sandy. You can actually follow up on these videos. You'll be learning lots and lots and lots on how to improve your yield through precision farming. Gentlemen, farmers, look at the crop. Look at the crop. It's coming. It's promising. It's vibrant. And we do expect lots of tons to come from this crop. And as you can see, this is our passage. It's all covered up. It's vibrant. And look at the stems. Look at the stems. You can't imagine that this is a double planting. 2 plants per station. As you can see, these are 2 plants per station. And look at the vibrancy. Look at the stamina. Look at the size of the plant. Very, 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 very strong. Very thick. And all because of fertigation. All because of precision farming. Let's go inside. Look again at the crops, right? There are some which are a little bit thin, struggling, but it's almost like over 90% are big enough and strong enough to deliver on the expectation. As you can see, it's double, and both are promising. As you can see, very vibrant, very promising. Very vibrant, very promising. So let's see. Very vibrant, very promising. Look at the stems. Look, look, look. Double on a station. Double on a station. Very promising. You can see double on a point. Double planting. Twin planting, double planting, you see the stems there. You see how it's growing. You see the way it's tasseling. No complaints. Very promising. You see? You see? Very promising. Very promising. I'm sure this will be able to give us good results. Let's see. Let's see. I think this is a near successful experiment. Let's just wait for the next videos to see how the crop will fare as it progresses to its maturity. So thank you so much, farmers. But don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to tell others about this venture. Tell others about this venture. As you can see, another crop there, right? Vibrant, vibrant. Thank you so much, farmers.